Rotovap. A rotary evaporator, or Rotovap, is used to concentrate a compound from a solvent mixture. The Rotovap is an instrument used to separate a compound mixture based on boiling point through evaporation and condensation. Before using the Rotovap, empty the reservoir into a waste container and clean the bump trap. Choose a bump trap based on the joint size of your flask. Slowly add dry ice to the condenser. There are 4 switches to turn on the Rotovap. One to turn on the vacuum pump on the side of the apparatus, another to turn on the control panel, a switch to turn on the rotation, and a switch to turn on the hot bath. Attach the round bottom flask to the bump trap with a ket clamp. The flask should not be filled more than halfway. If you are evaporating the contents of a vial, you will need to use an adapter. Set the temperature of the water bath to 25 degrees Celsius. Use the chart to determine the initial pressure to set the Rotovap to. Click Pressure Set, rotate the knob to the pressure you desire, click OK, then click Start. Next, set the rotation to level 2. The flask should become cold. Submerge your flask into the water bath until the level of the solvent within your flask is level with the bath water. Increase the speed of rotation as the solvent level decreases. Monitor your flask while you are using the Rotovap. To facilitate the process, adjust the pressure and water bath temperature. The pressure should be adjusted according to the contents of your flask. If your compound is not volatile, meaning it has a high boiling point and does not evaporate easily, lower the pressure as the solvent level decreases. Similarly, slowly raise the bath temperature if the compound is not sensitive to heat. For small flasks, it should take around 15 to 20 minutes for the solvent to evaporate. Once fully evaporated, press stop for the pressure to return to atmospheric pressure and stop the rotation. Raise the flask out of the bath, dry it off, and remove from the bump trap. Use NMR to assess the purity of your compound mixture. Return to the Rotovap if all of the solvent has not been removed. Record the weight of a pure mixture in your notebook. Pure compounds should be stored in labeled vials.